So today we have to replace this outhaul. Yeah, it's getting a little ragged looking. So in order to remove the old outhaul line, you have to untie it from the outhaul block. Well, if it's like other people, you might find out that thing's just been on there too long. There's no way to get the knot out, so I had to just cut it out. I ordered my new outhaul line directly from Catalina direct. It comes the correct length. First thing you want to do is take a pull line. I use a little small cord and tie it to your new line so that it won't come undone. As you're running it through the blocks and through the boom, you don't want it to come undone and lose it, because you can use the old line to help pull the new line in. So I put a couple of knots in it. Don't really know what you call these knots. I've used them before for pulling wire and other things, and get it tied securely and then tape it up. I use black electrical tape to tape it up to secure the line to my new outhaul line. Make sure when you do tape it up, don't make the knot with the tape too big, otherwise it won't go back through the pulleys and blocks. So make it as tight and as small as you possibly can. Next, use the same procedure to tie the pull cord to the old outhaul line. Make sure you get it tied snugly, and then also tape it up. Once that's completed, we're ready to start pulling the new outhaul line through all the blocks and pulleys. You'll first pull the line through the clew pulley, which is in the edge of the sail, the back edge. And make sure when you're pulling it through to give it a little help going through the rollers, because sometimes it's really hard to get through with the pull line attached to it. It's not a bad idea to fill the bearings in the pulley too, the outhaul pulley on the mast itself and the ones on the clew, to make sure that those pulleys are in good shape and the bearings are not wore out. Here you can see that I'm pulling it through the outhaul block, which is attached to the boom. It slides along the boom as you pull the sail out. At this point, you go back through the pulley that's on the very end of the boom, and then back through the boom itself. This is a point that you definitely don't want it to come undone from your pull line. So take it easy, take it slow, and feed it through. It's much better if you have some help. I didn't have any help that day, but next you'll want to tie a bowline to the outhaul block. And that secures the end of the new outhaul line.
Just let me hold your hand wherever I go.
Now pull all of your new line back through the boom and the roller that's at the front of the boom, where the knuckle of the boom attaches to the mast. Now, still pulling the old line with the new line attached to it with the pull line. You're going to pull it through the block at the bottom of the mast.
Just let me hold your hand wherever I go. You are my home. So
Best to line the pulley up so that it will be pointing towards the cockpit, so it'll be easier to pull the line through when you're pulling it back through your clutch. Now you want to pull all your line back through your clutch and pull it into the cockpit.
Just let me hold your hand wherever I go. You are my home, so just let me hold.
Once you have all the line pulled into the cockpit, you can untape the old line and the pull line from your new outhaul line.
There is a whisper calling my name in every shadow, playing a game of hide and seek.
Make sure to tie a figure 8 stopper knot in the end of the outhaul line so they won't pull back through the clutch accidentally. And there you go. The new outhaul line is installed. So if you have a Furling main, this is the way the outhaul line runs. And it's pretty easy to put in.
No matter
Next episode on Dreamweaver SV.
So today I'm going to be installing the Von battery monitor system. So in the box, and this is a model KG140F.